235 Center Road, unit number 7. First update video. So I do this for my clients to make sure they know what's going on with the construction on their new houses. So this one is getting painted. I'm getting all the middle things done here. All this, making sure everything goes up and down. I'll have them take care of that. But as you can see, they've gotten a lot of the painting done. And I think they're at lunch right now, so you can see right here. You can see here they're getting all this scraped out, all this painted. It's going to be really nice, and you can see that they got most of the walls painted here. You're going to have to touch up a little bit and get that done, but it's all coming together. He's got the flooring all set for here. And again, we're getting the middle of those things painted. You're gonna have to get that one, but we're gonna get them. We just started this one this week. So we're really coming together on this one, and we got the floor already ordered. So we'll have all that. He'll have to touch that up. And of course we have the vanity and toilet we're gonna be adding in here. So that'll be good. All these will be taken out. And we're gonna have this sprayed. So we have that ordered too. So as you can see, we're really moving along here, and I want to get you a quick update video. If you need a property and you need to have it managed correctly, bought correctly, and rented correctly, just call me 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty, or WhatsApp me. Thanks. Hope you guys have a good day.